began operations. This includes the clinic in the Malvern Community Recreation Center and the clinic inside the Mitchell Field Arena. I'm pleased to report that the uptake in both of these community center-based clinics has been extremely positive. As of this morning, the Malvern Community Center Clinic is fully booked from today through April 1st, with appointments being available on April 2nd and beyond. Also, as of this morning, the Mitchell Field Arena Clinic is fully booked from today through April 6th, with appointments being available on April 7th and beyond. The Scarborough Town Centre Clinic location is fully booked from today through April 1, with appointments being available on April 2 and beyond. Both the Metro Toronto Convention Centre Clinic location and the Toronto Congress Centre Clinic location still have appointments available each day this week. This is largely as a result of the fact that we have significantly increased the daily capacity in both of these clinics, thereby opening additional appointments. As of this morning, we are able to administer more than 42,000 vaccines this week in our network of 5 city-operated mass immunization clinics. Operations in all 5 city-operated clinics are running smoothly today. Wait times for those who arrive shortly before their scheduled appointment are very short, with most people not having to wait at all. At present, the majority of clients are in and out of the clinic in approximately 30 minutes. All 5 of our city-operated clinics will be open and operating as normal throughout the upcoming Easter long weekend, including Good Friday, Easter Sunday, and Easter Monday. Anyone who was born in 1951 or earlier can book their appointment to receive their COVID-19 vaccine by accessing the online booking system, which is available at toronto.ca/COVID-19. Or, if you were born in 1951 or earlier and would prefer to book by phone, please call 1-888-999-6488. If you have family or friends who were born in 1951 or earlier and who may need assistance or encouragement to book their COVID-19 vaccination appointment, please assist them in booking their appointment. Our immunization task force is continuing to identify viable options to ensure that every available COVID-19 vaccine dose is administered each week. At present, the provincial booking system, which is the system in use for all city-operated clinics, does not provide for standby list functionality. Our immunization task force, however, is actively exploring options to maximize the administration of vaccine on a daily basis. But let me stress that no vaccine is wasted. Unused vaccine is either carried over to the next day's inventory or is reallocated to our healthcare partners for administration in their respective clinics. I want to thank each and every client who arrives for their confirmed appointment no earlier than 15 minutes prior. This greatly assists us in ensuring that your experience is both timely and efficient. I also thank everyone for limiting the number of support people that they bring with them to the clinic by bringing only those necessary to support and assist them in moving through the clinic. I continue to encourage anyone who requires a mobility device, such as a walker or a wheelchair, to bring their device with them for their vaccine appointment whenever possible. We have increased the number of mobility devices we have on site, along with increasing the number of trained healthcare professionals and emergency first responders on site who are available to help anyone who requires assistance in moving through the process. I remind everyone that vaccinations are only available by appointment and are not available on a walk-in basis at this time. Please do not contact 311 nor Toronto Public Health for assistance in booking your COVID-19 vaccination appointment.
Steering coupler one right now.
Our staff are not able to access the COVID